It was a phenomenal price that they gave me. So I suggest you come right on over here to Cellutionz and get your phones fixed.
Best place in town. Cheapest place. I got my iPhone 6 for a really good price. Come check the place out. Really, really, really good. Thank you.
Come over to Cellutionz and fix it right up. Good few minutes and only $80. Most places it's around 100 to 120 and it was great.
Thank you.
Hi, so my phone was completely shattered and I called another place and it was $159.99, and then I came here and it was $119 and it looks brand new. Great service, great prices. I recommend this place.
Came in, my buddy here, he helped me out big time, got me set together. Now I'm back on and out my way, back in business. Thanks.
Phone was busted up. They got me right in like 45 minutes, got me a brand new Galaxy.
Broke my iPhone 5C and brought it here, trying to find somewhere in the area to fix phones for good prices and great customer service, and it's quick and it's a very, very good price.
I came to Cellutionz to get my phone fixed. Competitors were $285, $250. He offered a killer price at $200. I said yes. He even traded my old phone in to get an even better discount. So 2 thumbs up. Definitely come here for repairs.